Hey, this is Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com. I got something in the mail the other day that I ordered, and so I'm going to unbox it and show you right here. It may require a little bit of putting together, but you're going to get the idea. And I'm going to start using my little personal gym, okay? Oyo! All right, so
what do we have here?
Let's see. I have no idea. I'm just going to start cutting. And let's see.
I think the workout's in the opening.
Yeah, I think it is. And it's double cardboarded.
What do we have here? The Oyo Nova.
Okay. There's about 50 different. You know, you can come in, you can go out, you can go up down like that, get it behind your back like that, go sideways with it. I seen it on YouTube, and I'm going to show you some of the other things that I bought off of YouTube during the advertisements that are an absolute joke. If you buy them, you'll be sorry. I'll show them to you.
We'll get there. Right now, let's
yeah. All right, so
fitness that fits your lifestyle.
All right.
I'm telling you, you're gonna have to drink a Gatorade after this.
Well, I'm gonna have to cut it, I guess. Well, there it is.
3 of them. There's a couple more.
I see that now. All right.
Wow, you can wield a knife.
Okay, I do know that these are different pressure settings, okay? They're like clutches. And so you have a different setting clutch that makes this harder to turn. And then it's got like a spline on the inside and the outside that goes in there, okay? And I kind of hate to just throw this at you.
This is what everyone else is going to do when they get it.
Yep, just like that. And
wow, that looks like a bow.
Yeah, it looks like
compound bow.
Okay, and that probably is supposed to be on there.
You think so?
Let's just see. All right, so if
yeah.
you're actually going like that, okay, or this way, you know, around your side there, and then you can change these clutches. All right, and
looks like there might be some.
There's probably
stuff
some
going
instructions.
on here. Oh yeah, there you go.
All right. 1, 2, 3 down that way.
Quick start guide.
1, 2, 1, 2.
And there's a quick start guide.
Well, anyway, it's Oyo Fitness, and it was $149. And I've always been interested in fitness basically my whole life. You notice I have lost some weight, actually quite a bit, like 15 pounds. And that's all I want to lose. I don't want to lose any more. And I am 70 years old. So, but I believe if you keep some tone to your muscles and work out a little bit, then your body's just going to be healthier. So you can even stand on one side, okay, if that was your foot, and go up with it like that. So it would be more like this.
Right on.
There's a lot of different stuff you can do with it. I'm going to try it out, and as we go, you may see some changes in me. And that's what you're supposed to see. So Oyo Fitness, look them up online, buy one, and send me a video.
We want to see you out there wielding, hacking that axe again too, man.
All right, I'll do that.
Yeah.
That was like 5 years ago. I'm 65, and now I'm 70. So I'll take the same axe, go out, and I'll go back to the same tree and cut it in two again. This is Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com. You take care. We'll see you later.